Let's just imagine it's wall mounted and I ring it. Oh my goodness. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link their current crowdfunding campaign. Got a new drip from IMILAB, their newest invention, a refined smart doorbell with advanced video functionality. So let's check it out. So this is a box right here. Actually, let me get rid of the wrap so that we can get a glare-free view of this beautiful box. And here we go, that's the front side, and yeah, it's a video doorbell set. It has an internal battery, we'll get to that in a second. So right here, it's dustproof, auto siren. It of course has an app. On the other side we have more features: 4 megapixels video stream, HD night vision and human detection, powered by AI. Top is blank, bottom is blank. On the back side we of course have more data about this product. We have the 2 different parts. One is of course the video doorbell and the other one is the hub. We'll go through the features in a second. And now let's open it up. Yeah, it will just slide out like so. And now we have a black box. That's the bottom, by the way, and the front. So here we go. So on top we have a welcome card, actually extended warranty, and the manual. We'll get to the manual in a second. So check out this extended warranty card, and here is how to activate it. And here we have the contents of the box. So first of all, we have this with the accessories in here. Okay, and we also have this. This is layered in here. But there we go. So to recap, the contents of the box will be the manual, this warranty card, the video doorbell and the hub. So let's start with the video doorbell. We have this on top. So this is a positioning card for drilling the holes. Very neat. Then we have the attachment for the wall. Then we have the back plate for the video doorbell. That's that. From the side, and we have the video doorbell itself. Has quite a good weight to it. Big camera. Let me get rid of this, and there we go. So we have this button, and this is not a button, so this is the only button right here. From the side and from the top and from the back. So right here we can see a sync button and the USB flap, like this, you know, the cover. And inside here is a micro USB port. Right on. And here we have the hub. That's the hub right here. And it came with this. I'm from Europe. We have these types of sockets. Quite genius. You can easily exchange them. Nice. So it's now ready for the wall socket. So from the side it has 2 of these swiveling antennas. Antennas unfolded from the front and from the side and compared to the doorbell, to the video doorbell. Let's move on to the accessories. So I won't unpack this, but we have 2 dowels and screws, you know, for the wall. And it also comes with a little micro USB cable right here. USB A to micro USB with a little rubber ring. And now let's check out the manual. This is quite a thick manual and it's looking pretty great. First impression. Dope. Multi-language of course, but yeah, let's check it out. Page 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and the last page right here. There we go. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. 4 megapixel superior vision. We have a 5200 milliamp hour battery in here, rechargeable of course, and one charge will last up to 6 months. 150 degrees wide field of view. We have on-device human detection. We have key area detection. We have alerts that are accurate and also customizable. You can install this easily in just 60 seconds. There is also this corner kit to angle the doorbell easily. It's IP66 weather resistant. It works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. And lastly, we have free 30-day cloud storage for 3 months. Not bad, right? Next up, detailed overviews, app test, setup, and then of course a good old demo back to back. Let's go. This is the corner kit right here. So as you can see, this is an angled piece of plastic right here with 2 screw holes. This will go in between the back plate and the wall. This is what it looks like. Then we have this plate for the camera, and I will demonstrate how it works in a second. This is what it looks like right there. And the camera or the doorbell will go from the top in like that and then snap in place on top. And to remove it, you will need this little SIM tray tool. And up here is this little hole. And just like that, it will pop open. Let's do this again. It's closed and safe and secured. And now, boom. This is how to use this backplate and how to easily remove the doorbell. And that's the thing right here. Big button on the front, hole for the microphone, LED light, and up here the camera from the side and from the back with the sync button and the charge port right here. And lastly, we also have the indoor device with the antennas, well, the receiving, and from the front with the antennas from this position all the way up to this position. We have the speaker in front, a light. On top we have this button, and that's the bottom right here, and from the side. Okay. Next up, we will need the app. So just type in IMILAB in the Google Play Store, and it's the first by IMILAB Inc. And this publisher only has one app, so it's easy to find. And here we have it. First of all, give it all the permissions and then create an account. And this is what the app looks like. We have the home, we have the cloud, we have messages, and we have the profile. Yeah, and now we need to add a device. So let's get to it. So for this demo, I will just plug it in down here. So here we go. This LED is red. So check it out, it's down here, and now the status LED is flashing blue. So let's click on add device. So here we have all the devices. It's scanning for nearby devices. It's already recognizing the video doorbell. So there we go. So first of all, connect the hub to the power supply. We already did that. Blue blinking is perfect. If not, just press the reset button on the top to reset it. Let me check. So yes, it's still blinking blue. So check the box and click next. Now we need to power on the doorbell. Press and hold the sync button for 2 seconds. This button on the back. So 1, 2. So another blue light that is, well, it's not flashing. So we are powered on. And now we need to press the doorbell button. So straight out of the box, no issues whatsoever. Hub is ringing. Perfect. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's connect. Okay, my router is next doors, but no problem. And check it out, the binding was a success. Okay, give it some time for, well, to initialize the system. Okay, and now check this out. Please fully charge it before installing it, and this will take up to 5 hours. Okay, wow, there we go. Signal test. Live feed already. Current position is perfect for installing it. Perfect. So detection mode, we can record immediately, record after a set time, or turn it off. Let's say record immediately. Then you also have the choice to try the storage plan for free for 3 months. Let's go back. And now on your home screen, well, on your homepage in the app, there is a video doorbell with a battery indicator. And when you press on play, you will get the live feed. You can even turn on the... Oh my goodness. Pause it again, and you can also go full screen. Awesome. And down here you can access the device, go through the settings. Again, down here you also have the live feed. Okay, you can even change the resolution from SD to 2.5K. So we have this and this. Okay, we need to start the live stream before that. So this will of course consume more power. So there we go. Let's mute the sound so that we don't get this delay. And now we can try this. Hello. 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 That is so cool. And we can also do this. So we can also sound an alarm. We can take a picture and it will just save it straight to the device. And we also can record a video through the stream. And of course, we can go full screen. Okay, up here we have the battery indicator and we have the settings. So let's check out the settings. Here we have the doorbell settings, battery life settings, outdoor ringtone settings, indoor ringtone settings, and we have the image settings. There is a lot that you can do. It even has a wide dynamic range. Then we have the home monitoring with the zone detections and also notification settings. Then we have SD card settings. So when you're not around, it can also save the videos to the SD card. So I don't have one in there. And the signal test, well, we already did that. We can check the memory card. Actually, let me insert one. And here we have the general settings with the name. We can check for an update. And lastly, we have an FAQ. Tons and tons of answered questions. Now let me get an SD card. So there we have it. So SD card has been popped in. And now let's see. So there we go. We can also format this card. Let's do it. Always best to format first. And there we go. Now let's check out SD card video again. Oh yeah, there are no records yet. Let's just imagine it's wall mounted and I ring it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I had to mute it, of course. Wow, oh my goodness. So the phone is right here. Let's try it again. And now check this out. We already have 3 events right here in the SD card video. We have this. Okay, 1 second. I'm currently running this off a hotspot and I need to actually use my router for that because the connection is really bad. Now that I changed my Wi-Fi, let's redo this quickly. So press and hold down here. This way you can delete this device, add device. Now we need to press the reset button on the hub. I also turned off the doorbell by pressing the sync button for a few seconds. And now I turn it back on. The hub is also blinking blue and now we can just go through the setup once more. Yo, perfect. Okay, there we go again. Signal test once more. Oh yeah, now it's way better. Oh my goodness. So you need good Wi-Fi for this to work properly. The hotspot just wasn't up for the job. Oh my goodness. Okay, record immediately and here we go. That is way better now. That is way faster. And you can also mute the sound and also the microphone. And you also have a few nice shortcuts right here. You can screenshot, you can record, you can reply, and you can also straight up call the police. Okay, and now when you're not here, well, the app will inform you over the internet and then you can check right here. Perfect. And once more, I'm currently filming myself. Oh yeah, live feed right here. Oh yeah, it's way better with good Wi-Fi. This is way better. And now let's check out this video. Oh, we also have a person event, but oh wow. So when someone just walks in front of the camera, I will just hold it onto myself now. This will trigger a person event due to the human recognition from the other side. This is so cool. Okay, so we have one person event. Hold it onto myself now. This will trigger a person event. Crazy. Due to the human recognition. Awesome. Oh, it's the same event. So as we saw, the live feed has a super high resolution, is considerably fast, and this thing will recognize all sorts of events when someone walks by, for example, so you don't have to ring it necessarily for it to create an event and record a video. Well, you can decide that in the settings, of course, and when you ring the bell, then it will of course also take a video and save it on the SD card. So to demo it, I have put it right here. Let's imagine that this is like the door, and now it will first ring here, then it will ring on the hub, and it will ring here again. That's how that works. So let's see. We have this event right here. It will ring on the hub, and it will ring here again. Now if I just walk by, then this will trigger a person event. So right there, person event. Let's check it out. Oh, never mind. It is actually in the last event. It will record up to 60 seconds. Okay, one more time. Just walking by. Hello, hello. Not ringing though. And I'm gone. So I just missed the notification, but there we go. And if you're using the cloud service, then You don't need an SD card, it will just get saved to the cloud. And now this person event. Oh, I forgot, it has this super wide field of view. When I stand right here, it will also see me. But I think you already got the point. Let's turn it off. There we go. So to recap, this can detect humans and motion, and when it does, it will take a video, save it on the SD card. It has a super wide field of view, so it will basically see everything in front. When you don't have an SD card, you can use this as a regular doorbell. It will just ring the hub, then you can, open the door. If you have an SD card or the cloud service, then it will store the videos, of course. And over the app with a smartphone, you have the live feed and you can check who's outside. So pretty versatile and pretty dope device. And just to check that it's really off, yeah, it's off. Also, the setup was super simple, intuitive, easy, fast. So this thing is awesome. This is by far the fastest doorbell system that I've ever tested. Even though this has all kinds of features and a high resolution video stream, this is state of the art. Thanks to the big 5200 milliamp hours built-in battery, every charge will last a very long time, and it even has advanced PIR motion detection. It can send notifications to your phone, and it even works with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. As you saw, it was super easy to install. It has a wide field of view. You will see everything. It is weather resistant, and you even have cloud storage options. This is definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link their current crowdfunding campaign, and later on I will make sure to list and link the best deals for you. And before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.